So, welcome student. In this session, we study the next article from the topic electromagnetic induction, that is energy stored in magnetic field, and we have to derive the expression for that energy. So, changing magnetic flux of a coil causes an induced EMF, and this is the principle of electromagnetic induction, and this EMF opposes the change in magnetic flux. So we have to spend a energy to overcome this oppose. So this energy is recovered in the form of heat in the resistance of circuit. We see it in a previous article. This proves the logically that the energy being stored in a magnetic field, and we have to derive the expression for that energy stored in magnetic field, because it produces a heat when this passing through the resistance. So let estimate the energy spent to build up the current I in the circuit having a inductance L. So we have to derive the expression for the energy stored in the magnetic field if the current I is flowing through that circuit having the self inductance L. So we have the induced EMF is given by equation E, that is equal to minus L di by dt, where E is the induced EMF, L that is the self inductance, and di by dt is the rate of change of current passing through that circuit or coil. Now we have to move the charge dq against this EMF, because this EMF opposes. Then the small work done dw, by definition of work done, that is potential into charge. So here potential, that is the induced EMF, and charge we have to send a further charge dq through that circuit. Now but substitute the value of E from the previous expression, that is minus L into di by dt. So we have dw, that is equal to L into di by dt into dq. But dq by dt is, by definition, it is a current. Now substitute the value of dq by dt as a I. So we have dw, that is equal to L into I into di. So L is a self inductance, I is a current, and di is the change in current. So this is the small work done to send a current dq. So to send a total charge q or total work done, we have to integrate this equation. So total work done w is given by equation integration dw, that is the integration runs from 0 to I Li into di, where I is the maximum steady current flowing through that circuit. So we have W, that is equal to integration Li into di. Now integrate this equation. L is a constant, take outside from the integration sign, and then the integration of I with respect to di is I square by 2. So take the L outside from the integration sign, integration 0 to I into di. If we solve this, we get W, that is equal to Li square by 2. So this is the energy stored in magnetic field of the circuit having a self inductance I passes or flowing a current I through that circuit. So this is the energy stored in magnetic field, and it is given by equation U suffix B, that is equal to half Li square. So this is the energy stored in magnetic field, where L is the self inductance and I is the current. And this is analogous to energy stored in electric field, and that will be we see in a topic electrostatic, that is the energy stored in electric field, that is equal to half CV square. So both equations are analogous. So in this article we derive the expression for energy stored in magnetic field, and it is given by equation half Li square, where L is the self inductance of that circuit and I is the maximum steady current flowing through that circuit. So this is about the energy stored in magnetic field. So